emails na nare-receive ko, like, they're saying, Ma'am Claudine, gusto ko mag-start ng rental investment sa Pilipinas. I understand that. But I also keep saying na wag kayong mag-start unless you know the basic. Let's say for example, kung hindi kayo marunong kumilatis ng title, don't start. Honestly, you have to first get educated. Keep saving for your deposits, for your first investment. If you're using what you call bank loan, keep saving, but at the same time, the most important thing is keep learning. Know all the things na kailangan mong malaman. Paano ba malalaman kung clean title, kung rights lang ba yan yung binibenta sa'yo, paano ba